Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Davenport local and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers is here to ensure your transition to your new home is smooth sailing. Leave the hassle to our Davenport, Florida movers, and we'll ensure you settle in without a hitch. When it comes to moving within this fantastic city, we've got a well-oiled machine in place. Here's the scoop. Our professional Davenport local TM movers will swoop in, armed with exceptional skills and a deep familiarity with the streets of Davenport. Knowing this city like the back of our truck is a major advantage we bring to the table as a moving company. Why? Because it means we can navigate the neighborhoods with ease, find the quickest routes, and dodge any potential roadblocks that may come our way. The perks of our insider knowledge directly benefit you, our awesome clients. With us at the helm, you can rest assured that your precious belongings will reach your new abode safely and sound, without any unnecessary delays or detours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Davenport moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.